Let's try over this section here. Almost. Look at that, all gone. Hi guys, it's Jay here from London Linings. Today I'm going to go over our mini-series called Learn with London Linings, where we actually go behind the scenes of how we install our epoxy floors. Each episode focuses on an aspect and process of epoxy flooring, and we talk to people in the industry, as well as showing you how we do our floors. So stay tuned, and if you want to know any more, click on the link below. Hey guys, it's Jay here from London Linings. Today we're in Brighton, transforming this basement garage floor. It's got peeling epoxy everywhere. We're gonna rip it out, we're gonna put on a fresh coating. Let's come and have a look. So the problem we've got with this floor is that the epoxy is peeling, mainly because the builder just rolled on the epoxy with zero preparation. Today, we're gonna remove that coating. We're gonna make it look really nice and clean, ready for the primer to go on. Let's have a look at how bad this floor is. As you can see, got patches everywhere. The profile, there's literally zero grind marks there, which means it hasn't been able to stick to the floor. We're going to rip this out, as I said, and completely transform it. Let's have a look at the grinding. So important to use the correct diamonds for when you're grinding the floors down. As you can see, under our grinder, we've got these double arrows, and they're perfect for cutting up the concrete and removing this horrible flaky epoxy coating. Let's see it in action. So basically, you've got to try and get the coating off. We really want to move the grinder really slow. As you can see, some high spots don't come off, so you've got to go over them again. But the double arrows we've used are perfect for this kind of hard slab. Let's try over this section here. Almost. Look at that, all gone. It's so important because if you put another coating over a flaky coating, it's just gonna peel off. And unfortunately, that's what a lot of people do. They may just give it a quick sand, not remove the coating. A couple of months down the line, the floor's peeling. You wanna do it once, you wanna do it right. Thanks for watching the episode, guys. And if you're wanting to learn how to install a garage floor yourself, why not consider our 3-day course, Learn with London Linings. And if you're wanting a garage transformation, do contact us on the link below too.